Now, what is the Exness dollar? The purpose of the Exness dollar is to reduce your trading costs. So you guys know Exness makes money from spreads. Every broker basically makes money from spreads or commissions. If you don't understand what a spread is, it's basically the money that you pay whenever you open and you close a particular trade. Also, we have commissions. So if you're using a professional account, you're being charged in commissions. But if you're using a standard account on an Exness, you're being charged based on the spreads. So that's why you're always going to see spreads on your computer or on your MT5. So when you open your Exness platform, like in this case, you go to your accounts. You can always see your trading accounts over here. When you go to your accounts, you swipe below, you will see Exness benefits. So when you click on Exness benefits, you click on that, you will see trading conditions, you see Exness reward, you will see trading conditions, you will see savings, and you see VPS. Now go and click on Exness rewards. Now when you click on Exness reward, you will see the entire program. You see like welcome to the Exness reward program, which is more of like a cashback program where you'll be earning EXD or Exness dollars, which will really help you to get more and more rewards. Now currently I'm at the bronze stage. Now if I earn 4.28 XED, I'll be able to go to the next level. So there are different levels in this Exness dollar stuff. I think I'll be able to go to the next level by next week, because you can clearly see that I have a loyalty reward of plus 10 Exness dollars for the upcoming week. So here is my dashboard. Currently I'm at the bronze stage. So there are different levels in this Exness dollar and reward program. Now let me just go to the more level so that you can see. You can see there's bronze level, there is silver level. If I'm able to hit 4.2 Exness more Exness dollars within 22 days, I'll go to the next level, which will be the silver level. I'm definitely gonna hit the silver level very soon. The next level is the gold level. After the gold level, I'll have to reach 50 Exness dollars to get to the gold level. Then the next level is the platinum level, which I'll have to get 250 EXD to get to the platinum level. And you can see that at the platinum level, I have other stuff, right? I have Exness booster, which is 1.4. I have market insights, I'll have priority support, I'll have other benefits, like I'll have a dedicated account manager, and during my birthday I'm going to have gifts which will be shipped to me in my location here in Cameroon. Okay, now there are different levels, right? Now we have the elite level, which is like the higher level. I'll have to get 750 Exness dollars to be able to hit the elite level. And at this level, I'm going to have birthday gifts, I'll have bonuses, I'll have exclusive experience, stuff like that, where I can be able to travel out of the country and other benefits, if you know what I mean. So here is the top level. In this level, you have to get at least 3,200 Exness dollars for you to hit the ultimate level. At this level, I think you're gonna have experiences like vacations, going to different countries, and all that stuff, if you know what I mean. So let's go to my current status, right? I'm currently at the beginners level, which is the bronze level. I'll need to earn 4.28 Exness dollars to get to the next level, which will be the silver level. Now let me tell you how it works, right? Everything that I place a trade on Exness, like I open like 0.5 lot, 0.2 lots. The more I trade, the more frequent I'm trading, the more I'm earning Exness loyalty rewards. Now the Exness dollar is going to be very, very small, except you use a bigger lot size. If you use a bigger lot size, you will earn more Exness dollars. But if you use a smaller lot size, you will earn less. And if you use pairs that are weak, you will earn less. Like if you're trading on Euro USD, you might not earn much Exness dollars as if you're trading on pairs like gold, if you know what I mean. Okay, the next thing to take note is that they get paid. You're being rewarded every single week. Like in this case here, my loyalty reward for weekly trading for this week will be on June the 3rd. Okay, so what I did this week, I'll be rewarded next week to my Exness balance, my Exness dollars balance. Now this is what the Exness dollar does. When you have this balance, right? Let's say for example, right, I had $10 here. I had $10 as my Exness balance. Let's say I had $10 as my Exness balance, right? there are two things to do with it. You have to use the Exness dollars, because if you don't use the Exness dollars within 3 months, it's going to expire and you cannot use it anymore. So this is what you're going to do. You have to transfer the Exness dollars to your trading account. You can see here, you can choose the account that you want to transfer it to, and once it's transferred to your account, when you trade on that particular account, Exness will give you a cashback, or they will do some kind of like, you know, a rebate. So when you trade, right, part of the money that you pay to the broker, like through your through spreads or commissions, will be paid back to your account, and the next day it will appear to your account as a cashback. If you take, let's say, 10 lot sizes, right, let's say you take 10 lot sizes on Euro USD, and you have to pay Exness, let's say $20 on spreads, Exness will reduce your spreads by 50%, and they will return $10 back to you. So Exness will take $10 for themselves, and they'll give you back $10. Now that money will appear in your account, in your trading account, the next day as a rebate. So it's like kind of like an extra bonus. So it's very, very good if you're a trader for you to use this Exness program, because it's really gonna help you to you know, reduce costs, and also the more you trade, the more you're profitable. You're gonna have more and more perks, you know, because when you're increasing, you're going to the next level, you're going to have more and more benefits, if you know what I mean. You can, yeah, we have a silver level, gold level, platinum, and elite level. So the more you trade, the more you earn more Exness dollars, the more you use the Exness dollars, the more you get your cash back, and you know, the more you keep improving and increasing your level. Now if you're new to my channel and you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, make sure you do that, because we're going to be sharing videos every single day. If you haven't yet created your account on Exness, I'll leave the link in the description. If you need help when it comes to verification of your ID and also your residence, hit me up. I'll leave the links in the description. With that said, thanks for watching. Bye.